Hi everybody, this is Material Girl 338. I'm making mushroom risotto. Now I got some braised short ribs, and that video is on my channel, and it's I think it's the braised short ribs 60-year-old recipe. So right now what I'm doing is I'm gonna cook the mushrooms first, and I have risotto, and this is the one from Italy. This is 1 cup. Stay with the ones from Italy if you can. It's a better rice. I have 1 shallot. I have here a cup of frozen leeks, and I have some my regular onion, and then I have parsley just for garnishing it. In my oven, I'm cooking the braised short ribs, okay? So I'm going to cook these first, and then once they're cooked, I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to start the risotto. And also I have the chicken broth, which is already heated up. So, and then, you know, when you make the risotto, I'll show you. Most of you know already, when you do it, you have to do it very slowly and keep on, you know, incorporating the liquid with the rice. So once these are almost done, and then I add some wine. I add some red wine to my mushrooms. I use O-Pee-Chee wine, O-Pee-Chee Burgundy. And then when I do the wine in the mushrooms, I shut the fire off because I'm just, you know, nervous. I don't want to get a fire because of the mushrooms. So these are almost, you know, nice and crisp. So what I did was I didn't film it because I had to use my both hands, and guess what? I got a phone. I got a new phone, so now I can film. So I shut the fire off, and I just added a little bit of the burgundy, O-Pee-Chee. The O-Pee-Chee is a nice flavor wine, and I use it with all my recipes. So I'll show you the next step after the wine evaporates. Okay?